How are you, friend? I hope you're keeping safe and I hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's tutorial, and I want to show you how to transfer money from your MPESA to your cooperative bank account step by step. So as you can see, step number 1, open your MPESA icon in your phone. Then step number 1, go to your MPESA, click MPESA like that. Step number 2, select Lipa na MPESA. You see, like that. After selecting Lipa na MPESA, you can see there are 3 options. The first one is pay bill. The second one is buy goods and services. The third one is pochi la biashara. So select pay bill like that. After selecting the pay bill, it gives you the 2 options: search SIM contacts or enter business number. So select enter business number. Good. So it has given us here, and it is saying enter business number NB. If you want to know any transaction in Cooperative Bank, you must key in their business number, which is 400 200 400 200. So now I will key in the business number of Cooperative Bank, that is 400 200. Then I'll click OK. Then it's giving me the next step, that is enter the account number. Now the account number, you'll just key in the account number. The account number is the number that is in the bottom of your card, where your name is, below your name, that number. So like my account number is, let me read it so that I can. So let me key in my account number to show you. 0 1 1 0 8 3 6 6 9 1 8 blah 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 blah. Then I click OK. Then the next option is enter the amount I wish to transfer from my MPESA to my cooperative bank. So in this case, let me transfer 1000. Then I click OK. The next step, MPESA will ask you to key in your MPESA PIN. So then you key in your MPESA PIN. Now like for me, I'll just put in MPESA PIN for the sake of the security purposes. Let me put 0000. So you key in the MPESA PIN, then you click OK. Then you will get this notification where you are asked, do you want to pay bill 400 200 to account number, that one shillings 1000. You click OK. Then as you can see, it is sending. It is sent. Then tell you send, wait for an MPESA to reply. So in few seconds you'll get a message confirming that you have transferred money from MPESA to your cooperative bank. Then you'll also receive a message from Cooperative Bank confirming that you have transferred a certain amount. It is all that simple. Now give it a try. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe below. And if you have any question, ask in the comments below, and I will do a video and a tutorial to show you and to answer the question you ask. Thank you.